Dear student, let's we start our exercise 2B. Question number 1. Find the product. Three by 5 into 7 by 11. If any one numerator and denominator will be not divisible by one another, so here we will multiply it numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 3 into 7 by 5 into 11. 3 7 ja 21 and 11 5 ja 55. This one the answer of it. In question number 7, this one the different questions. 3 whole 1 by 8 into 16. Here the solution. 3 whole 1 by 8, 3 8 ja 24, 1 25, 25 by 8 into 16. Here 1 is laying in the place of denominator. So when we cancel it, 8 2s are 16, then 25 into 2, it becomes 50, and this one the answer of it. All such questions are based on the same pattern, so you will try to solve it. In question number 2, simplify. Two by 3 into 5 by 44 into 33 by 50, 30, 35. 33 by 35. 2 by 3 into 5 by 44 into 33 by 35. Here 11 4s are 11 3s are 2 2s are 3 3s are cancelled and 5 7s are 35. So the rest part is 1, nothing is left over on the numerator place, and here only 2 into 7, 2 into 7 is equal to 1 by 14. This one the answer of this question. So the simplification. Questions of your simplification, and question number 6. The question is 3 whole 1 by 16 into 7 whole 3 by 7 into 1 whole 25 by 39. The given question is 3 whole 1 by 16. The mixed fractions will make it in improper fraction. So 16 3 ja 48 1 49 by 16 into 7 7 ja 49 plus 3 52, 52 by 7 into 39 1 ja 39 plus 25, 64 by 39. 16 4 ja 64, 7 7s are 49, 13, 13 4 ja 52 and 13 3 ja 39. So the rest part is 7 into 4 into 4 by 3. 4 4 ja 16, 16 7 ja 112 by 3. So it is not divisible. Now write the answer. This one the improper fraction. Make it into mixed fraction. 3 3 ja 9, left 2, 2 2 22, 3 7 ja 21 and 1 by 3. This one the answer of it. Make it in rough. Rest your answer is right or wrong, so you will check. 3 3s are 9, left here 2, 3 7s are 21 and 1 is left over. So 37 whole 1 by 3. This one the process, and here you will write the answer. Next question is question number 3. Find. First question, 1 by 3 of 24. 1 by 3 into 24. 3 8s are 24. So 1 into 8 is equal to 8. One question is question number 9. 1 by 6 of an hour. As we know, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So an hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 by 6 into 60 minutes. 6 10 jars and 10 minutes is the answer of this question. 4. Apples are sold at rupees 48 whole 4 by 5 per kg. What is the cost of 3 whole 3 by 4 kg of apples? Here the unit value has given, and whenever it has asked 3 whole 3 by 4 kgs, so you will be multiplied with the unit value. The selling price of apple at the rate of rupees 48 whole 4 by 5 per kg. Cost of 3 whole 3 by 4 kg is equal to what? This one the question. So here you will be multiplied 48 whole 4 by 5 into 3 whole 3 by 4. Here, when you multiplied it 48 with 5 plus 4, then you will obtain it. Here you will do in rough work 48 into 5. 8 5 ja 40 and 5 4 ja 20 plus 4 24. Added here 4, you will obtain 244. 244 by 5 into 3 4 ja 12. 12 plus 3 15. 15 is divided by 5. 5 3 ja 15 is divided by 5 in 3 times, and 4 4 6 ja 24 and 4 1 ja. So the answer of it 3 1 ja 3 and 6 3 ja 18. Rupees 183 is the total value. Here the cost of 3 whole 3 by 4 kg of an apple is rupees 183. Now next question. Cloth is being sold at rupees 42 whole 1 by 2 per meter. What is the cost of 5 whole 3 by 5 meter of these cloths? The same pattern, unit value per meter, rate per meter is given, and you have to multiply it 5 whole 3 by 5, then you will get the answer. Only I will write down the equation and you will solve it by the same process earlier which question I have solved. 42 whole 1 by 2 into 5 whole 3 by 5. Whenever you will solve it, you will get the answer. But what problem has been solved by what? What solution? So you will write down here. Only you will write the cost of here. This one the per meter cloth. Cloth is being sold at the rate of cloths per meter is equal to rupees 42 whole 1 by 2. I will write down the rate of cloth per meter is equal to rupees 42 whole 1 by 2. The cost of 5 whole 3 by 5 meter is equal to what? Then you will solve it. Okay. So that time hope you have no problem to multiply it on. Question number 6. A car covers a certain distance at a uniform speed. Here the uniform speed has given. It means the unit value. Uniform speed of 66 whole 2 by 3 kilometer per hour. How much distance will it cover in 9 hours? In 1 hour, the car covers the distance is equal to 66 whole 2 by 3 kilometer. In 9 hours, the car covers the distance 66 whole 2 by 3 into 9. And when you multiplied it, you will get the answer. And your answer will be in kilometer. Unit never be left. Three threes are and 600 kilometer. The car will cover the distance that traveled 600 kilometer in 9 hours. Question number 7. One tin holds 12 whole 3 by 4 liters of oil. One tin. How many liters of oil can 26 such tin holds? Yes, of course, you will be multiplied it. One tin holds 12 whole 3 by 4 liter of oil. "26 such tins holds" is equal to 12 whole 3 by 4 liter into 26. 12 for the 48 plus 3 51. 51 by 4 into 26. 2 2 jar 2 13. Here when we multiplied it, so we will get such liters in answer. This one the improper fractions, we have to change it into mixed fraction. Two threes are 6. Again note down 6. 2 threes are 6 and 3 here. 2 1 are 2. 1 is in remainder place. So this one 331 whole 1 by 2 liter is the correct answer. Today I have given you the task. Question number 1 to 7 you will solve by the same process, and in my next video it will solved by question number till question from question number 1 to sorry in my next video I will solve from question number 8 to 50. Till have a nice day, and you have to solve all questions by the same process. Thank you.